Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Before installation, please note that the following conditions are met. The inverter should be mounted at a rearward tilt angle of no more than 5 degrees, avoiding forward, sideways or inverted mounting. Please prepare the following tools for installation. Fit the positioning cardboard to the wall and use a level to adjust the cardboard to a horizontal position. Mark the location with a marker. Fix the bracket. Hang the inverter on the bracket. Tighten the side screw. For wire connection, strip the cable by wire stripper. Use a crimping tool to squish the terminal. Connect the PE cable. Remove the AC connector and insert the wire through it. Connect L, N, and PE to the corresponding holes, tighten the lock nut. Connect the PV cable, please be sure to plug in used ports with dust plugs. Connect the power cable, please be sure to plug in used ports with dust plugs. Loosen the screw on the COM port and remove the connector. Insert the cable through the waterproof cover. Follow the steps to lock the COM connector. Connect the dongle. After wiring is completed, please do not forget to install the wire cover. Tighten the side screws. Thanks for watching.